Okay, so the automation I build is a lead capture automation. Let's say somebody fills out a form on your company website. This is the entire process of how it goes from your company website to your CRM to you finding out about it through your email or any messaging platform you want to use. So the process starts off. Firstly, we will start off here on the project inquiry. Let me just take it the link. Okay, so let's just fill in. Let's say our name is Johnson. John. It has now been submitted. The form has now been submitted via Tally. Now you'll notice if you go on to Google Sheet, you'll see that that's the second line. There you'll see the submission ID, the time, the name, John Johnson, the email, and the plan. Everything has already been given. So if you were to go here to n8n and to execute the flow, just select that execute. It has now, what it did was, when we clicked, it got the row. It went to my Google Sheet and scanned the row. Once it scanned the row, you'll come here, you'll see on Zoho CRM. Give it a few minutes to load. So yeah, there you can see we have John Johnson. With this, you will now be able to get an update on the lead to know exactly how he has entered into your business and how he is interacting with your business. You can even add things like the company that the lead works for, the lead name, email, their website, their mobile. So that's one of the great things about Zoho CRM. It allows you to track your lead. So we already covered that. So what happened with the n8n automation? When we clicked, it went into our Google Sheet to check on the rows with the latest updated rows. Then it created a lead on Zoho CRM. And the beautiful thing about this is when you go look at Gmail, you will see that there we go. This is an updated email. So the moment the CRM was created, we immediately got an email telling us that we got a new project inquiry from John Johnson, and we got the phone number, and we got the project, we got the email, and we got the custom. And you can even make this even more comprehensive by having an email, by having a link that sends you automatically to your CRM so you can have a look. The great thing about this is that it allows you to save time, because sometimes when in your company website you get an inquiry but it never reaches the right person because maybe on that day the admin was not there or the secretary was not there. And so now you know how to build your own lead capture agent using n8n. If you'd like me to build it for you, comment the word lead and I'll give you the information.